The cross-section of this cylinder looks like a circle. If I rotate it this way, it looks like a square. If I bring in a mirror, it looks like it's somehow both at the same time. That seems like it should be impossible, but there's no tricky editing to this video. It's an optical illusion created by the funny shape of the cylinder. If we look at it from the side, you'll see that the top and bottom surfaces aren't flat. They follow a curved path that creates the optical illusion that the shape is either a square or a circle, depending on which direction you view it from. This illusion depends on viewing the cylinder from a certain angle. For example, if I rotate it so you see it from the top, you'll see that the actual cross-section is neither a circle nor a square. To learn how to make your own ambiguous cylinders and other seemingly impossible shapes, check out the description of this video. For thousands of other fun, hands-on science and engineering projects, visit us online at www.sciencebuddies.org.